Hey guys, this is Drea with Fancy Farm. Today I'm going to show you kind of how we do chores. So this is the routine, how it goes every morning. So I start with the ducks. Hey ducky duckies! We didn't hold them too much as babies, and so they're like this around us. By the way, Joel's our cameraman today.
I'm heard but not seen.
Our water pressure is pretty slow. It's in a water tank parked on a hill, so it's about that. That's our water pressure. I don't know if you can see it well enough, but that is what we've got. It does the job. So since our water pressure is slower, I just stick it in here. This is my very first thing I do, and I let that fill while I do other chores. We'll get them some food. I have to keep it shut so they don't run out. Wrong one. This is our goats one, chickens, and our ducks. Come see something super cute that we get to see every morning. Can you see them? All these adorable little puppies. I'll be letting them out in just a little bit. Okay, so while I let the pool fill, I go and do the rest of the chores. Okay guys, it's Drea again. We are at the chicken coop now, and I'm going to take care of them. But before you go inside there, the nesting boxes, the roofs that the nesting boxes were laid on, recently broke. We came out here and they were just broken in half, so we're not really sure what happened. But we just got a new pen for them, so we haven't dealt with those nesting boxes yet because we're going to be transferring them like probably tomorrow actually. So anyways, so excuse the mess, it's kind of crazy in here. Did you want to come in or? There's all the chickens and there's our rooster. This water's still pretty full, so I just dump out the dust. This one's actually pretty full too. That was pretty easy. Normally they need at least one of those cans filled. So I really didn't have to do anything today. They eat about that can probably every 5 days. I probably have to fill it up. So I don't have to touch that. And then to the goats. Hey guys, so I just went over to get our sweet cob for the goats. They love it. And I'm going to come in here and give them their oats and get them some fresh water. So I gotta turn the solar system off so I don't get shocked. And we just pop right over it.
Sometimes we get our feet stuck in it when we're crossing.
Are you gonna be able to manage it?
I will make it happen. Go for it.
Okay.
They don't call me Daddy Longlegs for nothing.
The girls are very ready for their oats.
We just moved them in here yesterday afternoon.
Yep.
There's a lot of thistle in here, all blooming. And they're gonna start eating on that, so.
Sweetie back here is our gentle one. She's not too pushy. I like to come up close to her. And they love that stuff. They have 2 buckets of water. I change one out every day. It doesn't matter how full it is. I take one, dump it, change it out every day. So at least one is getting changed out once a day. They don't have icky water. Hey guys, okay, so I'm just back up here with the bucket of water for the goats. Filling it up. The duck pool is pretty much full, so I'm going to pull that hose out. Fill this up. Everything gets extremely dusty, so you have to wash everything out. Now the fun part, I'm going to let the puppies out. Hey puppy puppies! Are you ready? Here's the babies. Here's my favorite. Well, they're all my favorite, but this is little Beatrice. They're fun. They're fun puppies. Uh-oh. I think Joel got one.
Cameraman stepped on one for a sec, but still seems to be alive and breathing. Hoop coops work for puppies too.
Oh yeah, so I'll explain that. This was originally the duck hoop coop, so we blocked it off so they can't get in here. It's just temporary. Our plan is, with that new chicken fence that we got, it's the same thing as the goats. What is it called?
Premier One poultry netting.
Yeah, Premier One poultry netting. We're going to be setting that up. We'll move the chickens into that. We have a different kind of hen house thing for them to sleep in. And we'll be moving in there. And then we're going to take that hoop coop that the chickens are in right now. It's bigger than this one, and we're gonna park it over here, transfer Maya and the puppies in there so they have a bigger space, and then the ducks can have their little place back. So, yeah, so just... Hey, puppies, are you hungry? Are you guys hungry? Fill up their bowls. And then everything gets so dusty here. This gets filled with dirt. Alright, that bowl. Gotta tiptoe around these puppies. Oh. Hey, puppies. They have so many beautiful colors. There's a gold and white one, black and white. These are blue roans. I don't know where Mama is. I could show you what that is. She's a blue roan. They're gonna turn more gray in here. They've already gotten some black coming in, but they're not gonna be as much as their mom, but they definitely will have some more gray coming in. Hey, Beethoven. And then this is a lemon roan. He's gonna have this gold color come through his fur. So these are roans. They're really pretty. Okay, and their water's done. Keep that. You get very dirty doing chores around here, especially in the puppy pen. They like to jump all over you. Hey, puppies. Okay, so all I have left to do is I'll take that to the goat pen, drop it off, and then after I do all my chores, which is pretty much done, I water the garden. And then that's that. That's how it is. So you guys take care and we'll see you next time.